Hello and welcome to this Mr. Memory video. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install memory into your laptop. Before we begin, make sure you have a clear workspace. You will also need a screwdriver to hand. It is important that your laptop is completely shut down and switched off. To prevent potential damage to the memory from anti-static electricity, it is a good idea to discharge yourself first. This can be done by simply touching a grounded metal object such as a radiator. First of all, make sure the laptop is unplugged from any power supply or external accessories and then lay it upside down. Remove the battery by sliding the clips to release it. Next, you will need to locate the slots where the new memory will be installed. This can vary by model. Usually there will be a small removable cover on the underside of the case. Please consult your laptop manual for more information. To remove the memory cover, use a screwdriver to undo any screws and release the cover. The memory slots should be clearly visible at this stage. If you are replacing the existing memory, pull the clips apart. The old memory will pop up, pull it away gently to release it from the slot. Take the new memory you are going to install, hold it by the edges and locate the notch. Line this up with the notch on the slot and carefully insert the memory at a 45-degree angle. Apply a firm push to ensure the memory is fully seated in the slot. The clips on either side will automatically snap back into place. Put the laptop back together in the reverse order you took it apart. Replace the memory cover and then insert the battery until it clicks into place. Turn the laptop back on and everything should be running smoothly and quicker than before. Thanks for watching this Mr. Memory video. For further help and assistance, please visit the customer care and support section on our website.